Hello everyone, welcome back to lecture series on data structure. In this session, we'll be creating a linked list, or we will continue to create a single linked list by adding a node at a particular position. That is, let us say we are having the list consisting of elements 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. After 50, there are no elements in the list, so next pointer after 50 will be null, and the first element or the first node is now identified by the pointer head. Okay, considering the positions, we are having at first position we are having 10, second position we are having 20, third position we are having 30, fourth position we are having 40, and at fifth position what we are having is 50. Now let us say we want to add an element 60 at a particular position. Now let us say we want to add 60 at position equal to 3. That means my desired output or the expected output of this should be something like this. First I am having 10, then 20, after 20 it should be 60, and after 60 it should be 30, 40, 50, and after 15 there are no elements, so next pointer will be null, and still head will be pointing to 10. Now this is what the desired one or the expected one. Now in order to achieve this, what we'll do, we'll use some logic. Okay, that logic goes something like this. What I'll do, let me copy this and let me reconsider the list over here once again. So we are having the list comprising of 5 elements, values 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, and after 50 no elements, so the list is after 50 the pointer is null. What we'll do over here, desired position is what? Desired position is 3. Okay, so in order to reach to that position, what we'll do, we'll start from index or the head pointer. Okay, and we'll traverse this list till the position 1 less than the desired, till the position 1 less than the desired. That means let us say we are right now the desired position is 3, so 1 less than 3, that is 2. So I will start traversing this list from head to one position less than the desired one. That means I have to reach only to the next position, that is 2. But in the case, let us say we are having a long chain of list. In that list there are some 50 elements, and I want to add a element at index 25. So what I need to do, I will traverse that list starting from head to the position or till I reach the position 24, 1 less than the desired. Okay, now in order to achieve this, what we will do, we will create one counter. Let's say counter starting from 1, and we will use one simple logic, while. But to reach up to that list, definitely I require some another node or that dummy node. Let us say I'm creating a dummy node as n or m. Let us say it is creating a dummy node as m. So make m point to a same location, that is 10. I need to say that m is equal to head. So both m and head are of the same type, that is struct node, and both are the pointers. So what we'll do, while I is the counter, less than p minus 1. P is what? Desired position. I have to come to the location one pointer less or one position less than the desired one. Desired is 3, so I have to reach up to 2. So what we'll do here, while I less than p, you move to the next node. So right now we are at node 10 identified by a node, or we are at 10 identified by node m. So we are moving to the next location that is 20. So m equal to, simply say m next. So with that, m will be coming at to node 20, and at the same time what you do, I plus plus. Okay, so let's check over here. We are having 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. After 40 you are having 50, and after 50 you are having nothing. Right now I is equal to 1, or currently I equal to 1 before the while loop, and m is pointing at 10. So what we are checking? P I less than P minus 1. P is 3. So we are checking for I less than 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 1 less than 2 is true. 1 less than 2, this is true. So what will happen? We'll move to the next pointer. M will move to the next location. M equal to M next. M next, that means M will be pointing to 20. Okay, and I plus plus, that means I will become 2. Now after that, 2 again, the condition will be checked. 2 less than 2, this is false. So we'll be out of the loop. Now when we are out of the loop, if we consider the list is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. After 50 we are having nothing. Right now we are having 2 pointers. One pointer head, which is pointing to the very first location in the first node in the list, and the node M what we have created, it is pointing to the position 1 less than the desired position. Okay, the positions are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. Now the desired position is position 3. So we are having M pointing to one position less than the desired one. Okay, now what we will do, we will create another node. Okay, that is the temporary node, and in this node we have stored the value which we want to add it to the list, that is value 60, and the next pointer of this temp is pointing to null. Now let us say we are creating another node N. Okay, we are creating another node N which will be of the same type as that of head and M. So let us say we write this as struct node N. Okay, so N is again a pointer. So head, M and N, these all are of same type. But now we'll say N is equal to M next. So when we say N is equal to M next, that means from this list, let me copy this list. If I copy this list and let me paste over here, what's happening? The moment we say N is equal to M next, that means this position 30 position 3 where we are having the node or the node consisting value 30, this is identified by node N. Okay, and you are having a separate node, the new node which you have created, which you want to insert in the list, which is nothing but temp, having the value 60, and the next pointer is null. So now what we'll do after this is, if you consider node M, okay, next pointer is pointing where? To 30. That means next pointer of 20 is pointing to 30. And instead of saying next pointer of M pointing to 30, what we'll say, M next. M goes for what? 20. M next. Now this will point to temp. So if you are saying temp, that means you are having the list 10 to 20, but after 20 now it is pointing to 60, and the next point of 60 is null, and the link which was there from 20 to 30, it's broken. Now you are having 30 to 40, 40 to 50, after 50 it's null, and now 50 is getting this node 30 is getting identified as by node N. This is what we have previously done. But now after this, you establish the link between this temp node and node N by simply saying temp next, or next pointer of temp is now pointing to N. The moment you say next pointer of temp pointing to N, what will happen? You are having the list 10 to 20, 20 is pointing to temp which is having the value 60, and here it was 30, 40, 50, next pointer 50 is null. This was N, N is pointing at 30, but now the moment you say next pointer of or next of temp pointing to N, what will happen? The chain is created. So if you look into this list properly, what we have, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, no, not 10 to 20, 10 to 20 is proper, 20 to 30, not 20 to 30, we are having 20 to 60, 60 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so on. So this is how basically the element